we got a awesome kukri design, a very large piece of steel, 1/4 inch by 1.5 inches, and a very hot forge. So let's get to forging a kukri. So here's the design. Here is the piece of steel. Basically, need to make this curve right out like 6 inches. So quite a bit of forging, but let's do it. Okay, so far, this is where I have it. I have the blade pretty good. Now I've started on this portion here. And then next I'm going to flip it around and forge the tank. So, get to doing that. Okay guys, here we go. We have the fully forged kukri. My anvil is like insanely hot, like too hot to touch from all that forging. It's pretty darn straight the whole way. Now it's just time to mark with a Sharpie where I need to cut off, what I need to get it down to. Then I'll cut what I can with a bandsaw, angle grinder, and grinder. So let's do it. That there is why I don't like using an angle grinder for profile work. But the bandsaw just wasn't cutting it.
Okay, so I'm pretty sure I can salvage it. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna weld that full instead of like putting it back in the forge and just making it even thinner. I mean, it's like about 1/8 of an inch, but that was annoying. Okay, well, do that now. Then it is on to profile grinding. So, yeah. Okay, I think that it turned out well, and now just grind it down and see if it did. Okay then, now it is just about time to start on the bevels, so let's get to doing that, and it should look awesome. Okay, so I've got new oil, a whole gallon of it, and I have a whole new quench tank. I've welded the entire bottom shut. It's waterproof. I put water in it to test it. I pressed it a little bit just to make it so that I can fit in wider blades. So now I'm going to find a way to like bolt it to the work table here or something like that. And then it'll basically, I'll have a nice quench tank, and then it is time to quench the knife, temper it, get the handle on. First I'm going to drill the holes, then I'm going to quench it, then I'm going to temper it, and then I'm going to finish it. So, let's do it. Okay, so I tack welded this thing on just to keep it stable. What I can do, put it right here, and then it's on the ground, but it's stabilized by this, so I can screw it into the table. But it isn't going to rip off because it's still touching the ground. So that'll work out nicely. So now I have a quench tank big enough to, you know, quench something this large in. And yes, I did measure. This will fit down it. So now it is time to do the thermal cycling and then harden it. It's been a couple days. I went camping. I got back, got the holes drilled. I did the thermal cycling 2 days ago. Now it is time to harden it. Handle material that has been chosen by you guys on Instagram. Some pretty thick pieces, 3/4 of an inch in the back, half an inch up front. So I'm going to take them outside, do a whole bunch of sanding, and make them fit up just right. Okay, so normally if it wasn't pouring outside, I would, I guess, go and chop down a tree in our forest, but I don't, oops. I'm not able to at the moment because it is raining so much, but it's quite sharp. I cut myself already, and then I can wow, I really like that. Quite useful for camping and stuff. Oops. Well, I just hit the blade. There's a very tiny amount of edge deformation, but otherwise, this is a great little kukri. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching me make this awesome kukri. It has a 9.5-inch blade, it's 80 CRV2 steel, super sharp. It's gonna be a super useful camping knife. It's going to be for sale. If no one buys it, I get to keep it, so kind of happy about that. But if someone does buy it, I can always make another. If you want to buy it, email me right here, or message me on Instagram right here, and yeah, I'm gonna be making a post about it on Instagram. Go check that out, follow me, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. So thanks for watching.